Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, tap on the smart saving mode, and here select power saving mode and then tap done. And that's how you can enable power saving mode. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on this button, by going to the battery manager. No, not battery manager. Okay, so actually you don't have any power saving. Okay, so here you can set up schedule for power saving. Here you have in power saving optimization, you have different settings for this mode. Like you can choose battery saver, it's the same one like as this in this upper bar setting. In low power saver you can enable or disable power saving mode, just like this. You can set up a value for low power mode to turn on automatically. Here you can select if you want to enable ultra power mode or just normal power mode. And yeah, that's all the exiting power mode when charging. Could be useful too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.